everyone, it's Cara. Welcome back to the Rambutina channel. Today we are announcing the winner of the giveaway in collaboration with Ribblr. So one lucky winner will win the pattern to Felix the Flower Boy by Ribblr Petals. I had so much fun reading all of your comments on what colours you would pick for Felix the Flower Boy. You guys came up with such interesting and fun colour combinations for Felix. I would love to see them. Yeah, you guys had some really cool ideas. Definitely such a cool idea to change up the petal colours, like make each one a different colour would be so stinking cute. So yeah, let's announce the winner. So I've got my commentpicker.com up on my iPad here and I'm gonna screen record it. Let's get that going. Yeah, thank you so much for over 100 entries. Yeah, thank you so much, guys. So let's find out who the winner is. Congratulations to Emma Loves to Crochet. You are the winner. So please DM me on Instagram or email me at rambutina@gmail.com. All the information will be in the description box. So yeah, please DM us and we will let you know how to get this pattern sent out to you. So yay, congratulations. I hope you enjoy Felix the Flower Boy. I had so much fun making him, so I'm sure you will love him just as much. So yay. So yeah, Emma Loves to Crochet commented, I would definitely use my favourite colour purple. Love purple too for the t-shirt, and definitely white for the pants, pink for the petals, that would be so cute, and last but not least I'd use some yellow for the face. Yes, he'd look so smiley and happy with a yellow face. So oh, that sounds so cute and I cannot wait to see your Felix the Flower Boy, and I'm sure Ria can't wait to see it too. And also a massive thank you to Ribblr for sponsoring this giveaway. Yeah, definitely check out their platform, it's incredible. So much fun over there, and there's a community over there, so if you're ever stuck on a pattern or you just want to share your project, you can do that over there, so that's really cool. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this quick little video to announce the winner, and yeah, I will see you in the next one. Happy crocheting, have a lovely day, bye!